Hey, what's going on? It's Aaron from Aaron's Vehicle. Hey, what's going on? It's Aaron from Aaron's Vehicles. Thanks for checking out today's video. If this is your first time checking out the channel, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and check out the other videos that I have that'll be posted down below. So take a look at this. Last night, I just picked up a 1999 Honda Cr125. This is an awesome bike. I actually owned a 2000 Cr250. I love that bike. I regretted ever getting rid of it, and it was a ton of fun. So it's kind of cool to come back full circle and get a bike that's similar to my first ever dirt bike. I still have the RM125. That's still up for sale. So if you're interested, please let me know. And the price on that is $1,800. I am flexible. So I'm actually gonna do an engine teardown on this 125 because it chatters in first gear. So it's gotta be something with the transmission, maybe a shift fork, shift drum, something possible like that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna take the engine out right now, and we're gonna take the engine apart and diagnose it. All right, so I wanted to do a quick jump cut, show you guys something real quick. So I'm actually trying to find a service manual for this 125 right now. And I was doing some reading online, and I found out that it's actually illegal for a online service manual. So if you can't get the service manual, it's not a big deal, but I always recommend people to try to get it, buy it from a dealership, or buy it on Amazon, eBay if you can, or try to get it online. Like sometimes, like I was able to get a manual for that RM125. So if you can, try your best to get it. But it looks like I'm gonna be without one for now. All right, just about a half hour later, and we do have the engine out. So tomorrow, on day 2, I'm gonna be taking apart the cases, taking top end off, all that good stuff. And we're gonna be taking a look inside the transmission to see what is going on and what's making that noise. So as I mentioned before, I couldn't get the manual. It's actually illegal to get the PDF manual, so who knows? And I don't feel like buying a manual online. So we're gonna be using these transmission service technical notes that I was able to get from class. And I'm gonna be using that for this engine teardown. All right, everybody, thanks for checking out the video today. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what I can do differently, what I can improve on. That's all what I'm about. I wanna improve, I want everything to be better. And I wanna help you guys out too. I wanna be able to help answer questions and stuff like that. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned, stay on the lookout for the next videos. Peace.